In this video, we're going to be doing a tread wear update on my BFGoodrich KO3s after 10,564 miles. To be thorough here, we'll do all 4 tires. These tires started with 16 seconds of tread. And it looks like we are at about 14 seconds in the middle. Go to the edge here, outside, a little bit closer, like 13 seconds. On the outside, inside, we have about what looks like 14 seconds there. Come on, focus, dang it. All right, let's check the back here. About 14 seconds as well. That is the passenger side rear. The edge of this tire also has between 13 and 14 seconds. All right, this is driver's side rear, and we have 14 seconds as well. And lastly, we have the driver's side front, and that is at 14 seconds. If you've enjoyed this video so far and enjoy my channel, please consider heading over to the merchandise store, powerstroke-maintenance.com, and picking up one of these shirts. I appreciate your support if you're able to grab one. If not, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button. All in all, these held up pretty well for the first 10,000 miles. We will see what the next 10,000 miles bring us. So after I get about 20K on these, I will do another update. But I would say for the initial 10,000, that's pretty decent wear for a softer all-terrain. You know, I mean, they start at 16 seconds, brand new. My one gripe with these, if there is one, is that I have had to get them rebalanced twice. I know there were some folks that mentioned balance beads, so I might try those, but they have not liked to balance well. They are about 5 pounds heavier than the same size I had for highway tires, but I really don't feel like that should be a big enough difference to make them that hard to balance. So I don't know. When they are balanced, they ride incredibly well on the highway. I have done some off-roading with them, and in the dirt, these are fantastic. I mean, it says Baja Champion on the side, and you can tell that that's where these tires, what they were created for, was in like kind of that California sandy dirt. They just work phenomenal. But ice and snow, ran them all winter up and down I-70 in Colorado, 285, in the snow, in deeper snow, on ice, just a fantastic tire. So I mean, honestly, if I get 50,000 out of these, that would be pretty dialed. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next time here on Power Stroke Maintenance. Cheers.